Okay, I'm gonna have you do a 2-question quiz today. You can use these notes, you can use your resources. There's a Google form that I'll put in Classroom, and so I do want you to follow these steps. So if you follow these steps, the quiz will be identical to these 2 problems. The first quiz question is just gonna have a square root. So what we have to remember, you're gonna draw a chart like this, where you have your X, you have your square root equation here, and your Y. Right here, the first step, fill in the values of 0, 1, 4, 9. So that goes here, 0, 1, 4, and 9. And I want you to really remember these facts when you're calculating your value for Y. Square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 9 is 3. So if I do the square root of 0 plus 1, that's 0 plus 1, that's 1. If I do the square root of 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, that's 2. The square root of 4 plus 1, that's 2 plus 1, that's 3. And the square root of 9 plus 1, that's 3 plus 1, that's 4. But this is important. You write your 4 ordered pairs. So when I plugged in 0, I got 1. When I plugged in 1, I got 2. When I plugged in 4, I got 3. And when I plugged in 9, I got 4, and these are what you're gonna type into Google Classroom, or the Classroom form. Now, it may look like it's wrong because if you leave out commas or maybe your order's different, it's okay. I'll just be checking your 4 ordered pairs. The next one you're gonna do, though, has a little cube root. So you'll draw a chart. You can do this on scratch paper. Draw a chart, but these values are different for this one. Notice in step 2, we fill in -8, -1, 0, 1, and 8. So now we've got to remember these facts right here. This is super important when you're figuring this out. So you're going to do 2 times the cube root of -8. So that's 2 times -2 because the cube root is -2. So that gives me -4. Then I do 2 times the cube root of -1. So that's 2 times -1. That's -2. Then I do 2 times the cube root of 0. That's 2 times 0, which is 0. I do 2 times the cube root of 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And then I do 2 times the cube root of +8. That's 2 times 2, and that's 4. So then you write your 5 ordered pairs. It's -8, comma, -4, -1, comma, -2, 0, 0, 1, 2, and finally 8, 4. And you'll type those into in that Google form. So remember, there's a pattern: -4, -2, 0, +2, +4. So hopefully that'll help you. Please take that quiz today. Good luck. I miss you. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye, guys.